بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، السلام علیکم۔ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگ سارے خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، جغرافی کلاس 7 جو کہ پنجاب ٹیکسٹ بک کا نیا کورس ہے، اس کی چیپٹر نمبر 4 کی آج کویسچن آنسرس کریں گے۔ اس چیپٹر نمبر 4 کا نام ہے ایگریکلچر یعنی زراعت۔ اچھا، تو پہلے وہ والے شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن کریں گے جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، اور پھر اس کے بعد اضافی یعنی ایڈیشنل شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن بھی کریں گے تاکہ پورا یونٹ کور ہو جائے۔ اچھا، تو پہلے نمبر پہ ہے گیو شارٹ آنسرز آف دی فالوئنگ۔ کویسچن نمبر 1، واٹ از مینٹ بائی ایگریکلچر؟ تو اس کا آنسر ہے ایگریکلچر از دا کلٹیویشن آف کراپس اینڈ دا فارمنگ آف اینیملز یعنی لائیو اسٹاک فار فوڈ، را میٹیریلز اینڈ ادر یوزفل پروڈکٹس۔ Question number 2، what is intercropping ابلیک mixed cropping؟ تو اس کا آنسر ہے انٹر کراپنگ اور mixed cropping is the practice of growing 2 or more crops together on the same piece of land at the same time۔ Question 3، write the names of 5 raw materials obtained from farming۔ تو اس کا آنسر ہے cotton, wheat, maize, palm oil and soybean are 5 raw materials obtained from farming۔ اچھا، تو نیکسٹ ہے کویسچن نمبر 4، نیم امپارٹنٹ کراپس آف پاکستان۔ اس کا آنسر ہے امپارٹنٹ کراپس آف پاکستان آر انکلوڈ رائس، wheat, maize, cotton and sugar cane۔ Question 5، write the uses of cotton in 3 lines۔ Answer: Cotton is an important cash crop of Pakistan. It is used as a raw material in the textile industry. Cotton is used for making clothes, bed sheets, towels, and many other household items۔ Question 3، Write the answers of the اب ہے لانگ کویسچن جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں۔ Write the answers of the following in detail۔ Question 1، Explain the importance of agriculture in terms of Pakistan's economy۔ اس کا آنسر ہے agriculture plays a vital role in Pakistan's economy۔ It provides employment to about 37.4% of the labor force and is the main source of income for many people۔ Around 70% of the population is directly or indirectly related to agriculture۔ It supplies food to the people and raw materials to industries۔ Agriculture contributes about 22.7% to Pakistan's GDP and earns valuable foreign exchange through exports۔ Question 2، Describe the different types of agriculture۔ اس کا آنسر ہے the main types of agriculture are: Number 1، subsistence agriculture۔ Farmers grow crops to meet their own needs۔ Number 2، intensive agriculture۔ High production is obtained from a small area using fertilizers, water and labor۔ 3، extensive agriculture۔ Farming is done on large areas of land using modern machinery۔ 4، truck farming۔ Fruits and vegetables are grown near cities and transported quickly to markets۔ 5، plantation agriculture۔ A single crop such as tea or coffee, sugarcane or rubber is grown for commercial purposes۔ 6، commercial agriculture۔ Crops are grown on a large scale to earn profit۔ Number 7، mixed farming۔ Crop cultivation and livestock breeding are carried out together۔ 8، cereal farming۔ Cereals such as wheat, rice, maize and gram are cultivated۔ اچھا، کویسچن 3، Analyze the distribution of major crops in Pakistan۔ اس کا آنسر ہے Pakistan's major crops are grown in different regions according to climate and soil conditions۔ The fertile plains and irrigation system support the cultivation of these crops۔ Rice، mainly grown in Punjab and Sindh۔ Wheat، cultivated in Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan۔ Maize، grown in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab۔ Cotton، mostly produced in Punjab and Sindh۔ Sugarcane، cultivated in Punjab, Sindh and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa۔ Question 4، Write your point of view that Pakistan is an agriculture country. Answer. Pakistan is rightly called an agricultural country because a large portion of its population depends on farming. The country has fertile land, an extensive irrigation system, and favorable climatic conditions. Agriculture provides food, employment, industrial raw materials, and export earnings. Therefore, agriculture is the backbone of Pakistan's economy. Question 5. Analyze the different methods of agriculture. Answer. Different methods of agriculture include Acha, agroforestry. Number 1. Trees are grown along with crops. It improves soil quality, reduces erosion, and provides products such as timber and fuel wood. Number 2, crop rotation. Different crops are grown on the same land in different seasons. It maintains soil fertility and reduces pests. Number 3, intercropping oblique mixed crops. Two or more crops are grown together to increase production and make a better use of resources. Number 4, polyculture. Many plant species are grown together. It increases biodiversity and improves soil health. Number 5, monoculture. A single crop is grown over a large area. It is easy to manage but may increase the risk of pests and diseases. Question 4. Enlist a few impacts of livestock and cattle farming on the environment. Answer. Some impacts of livestock farming on the environment are: number 1, land degradation. Number 2, water degradation. Biodiversity loss. Number 4, acid rain. 5, coral reef degeneration. Number 6, deforestation. Number 7, increase in greenhouse gas emissions. अच्छा, question number 7. Discuss that raw material from farming and fishery help to generate revenues. तो इसका आंसर है agriculture and fishery provide many raw materials that generate income and employment. Farming supplies cotton for textile, wheat and maize for food products, wood for furniture, and oils from palm and soybean. Fishery contributes to the economy through fish meat, fish oil, fish pickles, fish balls, and other fish products. These products support industries, exports, and national revenue. अच्छा, अब है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग वाले क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं. क्वेश्चन 1. व्हाट इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग इशू फेसिंग एग्रीकल्चर टुडे? इसका आंसर है द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग इशू फेसिंग एग्रीकल्चर टुडे इज क्लाइमेट चेंज. Irregular rainfall, droughts, floods, and rising temperatures affect crop production and food security. Question 2. How can agriculture be a solution to a country's growth? Answer. Agriculture creates employment, provides food, supplies raw materials to industries, increases exports, and contributes to GDP. Therefore, a strong agricultural sector promotes economic growth and development. Question 3. What is organic farming and why is it important? Why is it important? Answer. Organic farming is a method of agriculture that avoids the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and harmful chemicals. It is important because it protects the environment, improves soil fertility, and produces healthier food. Question 4. What are the health risks posed by GMO foods? इसका आंसर है some people believe GMO foods may cause allergic reactions or unknown long-term health effects. However, many GMO foods approved by food safety authorities are considered safe for consumption. अच्छा, continuous research and testing are important to ensure food safety. اچھا اب ہے اضافی ایڈیشنل شارٹ کوشچنز. Question number 1. What is meant by irrigation? Answer. Irrigation is the artificial supply of water to crops through canals, tube wells, and other sources. Question 2. What is rain-fed agriculture? Answer. Rain-fed agriculture is farming that depends mainly on rainfall instead of irrigation. Question 3. What are the two major crop seasons in Pakistan? Answer. The two major crop seasons are Rabi and Kharif. Question 4. Name any four fruits produced in Pakistan. Answer. Mangoes, citrus, apple and peach. Question 5. What is agroforestry? Answer. Agroforestry is a farming method in which trees are grown together with crops. Question 6. What is crop rotation? Answer. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different crops on the same land in different seasons. Question 7. What is polyculture? Answer. Polyculture is a farming method in which many plant species are grown together in the same area. Question 8. What is monoculture? Answer. Monoculture is the cultivation of a single crop over a large area. Question 9. Name the three methods used to disseminate agricultural technologies. Answer. Lead farmer, peer farmer, and extension worker are used to disseminate agricultural technologies. Question 10. Name any four animals included in livestock farming. Answer. Buffalo, cattle, goats and sheep. اچھا اب ہے ایڈیشنل یعنی اضافی لانگ کویسچنس اور ان کے آنسرس. Question 1. Explain the irrigation system of Pakistan and its importance for agriculture. اس کا آنسر ہے Pakistan's agriculture largely depends on irrigation because most areas receive insufficient rainfall. About 83% of the cultivated land is irrigated. Canals are the main source of irrigation, while tube wells, springs, barrages, and pools are also used. Irrigation helps increase crop production and supports farming in dry regions. Question 2. Differentiate between Rabi and Kharif crops with examples. Answer. Rabi crops are sown in winter yani October to December and harvested in spring yani April to May. Wheat and gram are examples of Rabi crops. Kharif crops are sown in summer yani April to June and harvested in autumn yani September to October. Rice, cotton, maize and sugarcane are example of Kharif crops. Both crop seasons are important for Pakistan's agricultural production. Acha, question 3. Describe the benefits of agroforestry. Answer. Agroforestry combines trees and crop on the same land. Trees provide shade and help control temperature, wind and rainfall effects. This method improves soil fertility, reduces soil erosion, stores carbon, and provides useful products such as timber, fuel wood, and fruits. It also increases biodiversity and crop productivity. Question 4. Explain the methods used to evaluate agricultural products. Answer. Agricultural projects are evaluated to improve food security and agricultural growth. Their main components include institutional development and capacity building, sustainable food security, and project coordination. Agricultural technologies are disseminated through lead farmers, peer farmers, and extension workers. These methods help farmers adopt modern agricultural practices. Question 5. Discuss the importance of fishery in Pakistan's economy. Answer. Fishery plays an important role in Pakistan's economy by generating income and employment opportunities. Fish are used to produce fish meal, fish oil, fish balls, fish pickles, fish soap powder, and fish wafers. These products support industries and contribute to national revenue. The fishery sector also provides livelihoods to many people living in coastal and neighboring areas. Question 6. Why is wheat called a staple food crop of Pakistan? Answer. Wheat is called a staple food crop of Pakistan because it is the main food of the majority of the population. It is used to make flour for chapati, bread, and other food items. Wheat is cultivated on a large area throughout the country and is an essential part of the daily diet of Pakistanis. अच्छा, next है question number 7. Why is cotton considered an important cash crop of Pakistan? Answer. Cotton is considered an important cash crop because it is grown for commercial purposes and earns income for farmers in the country. It provides raw material to the textile industry, which is one of Pakistan's largest industries. Cotton and cotton products also contribute significantly to exports and foreign exchange earnings. Question 8. Compare intensive agriculture and extensive agriculture. Answer. Intensive agriculture and extensive agriculture is compared as. तो यहाँ पे है इंटेंसिव एग्रीकल्चर और यहाँ एक्सटेंसिव एग्रीकल्चर, तो आपस में अब इनका कंपैरिजन. अच्छा, practiced on small areas of land or practiced on very large areas of land. अच्छा, uses more labor, irrigation and fertilizers, uses modern machinery and less labor. Products high yield per unit area produce, sorry ये है produces high yield per unit area, produces crops on a large scale. Common in countries with high population or common in countries with vast land and low population density. अच्छा, question 9. How does the crop rotation help maintain soil fertility? Answer. Crop rotation means growing different crops on the same land in different seasons. Different crops use different nutrients from the soil. By rotating crops, soil nutrients are replenished naturally. Crop rotation also reduces pests, diseases, and weed growth, helping to maintain soil fertility and improve crop production. Question 10. What are the advantages and disadvantages of monoculture? Answer. Advantages. Easy to manage and cultivate, simplifies harvesting, or suitable for large scale farming, requires fewer workers. अच्छा, disadvantages. Increases the risk of pest and disease attacks, reduces biodiversity, depletes specific nutrients from the soil, often requires more fertilizers. Question 11. Why is agriculture called the backbone of Pakistan's economy? Answer. Agriculture is called the backbone of Pakistan's economy because it provides food, employment, and raw materials for industries. About 37.4% of the labor force is engaged in agriculture, and around 70% of the population depends on it directly or indirectly. Agriculture contributes about 22.7% to the country's GDP and earns foreign exchange through exports. Therefore, it plays a key role in Pakistan's economic development. Question 12. Why is irrigation necessary for agriculture in Pakistan? Answer. Pakistan has a hot and dry climate and rainfall is not sufficient in most areas. Therefore, irrigation is necessary to provide water to crop throughout the year. The canal system, tube wells, and carriages help farmers irrigate their fields. Irrigation increases agricultural production and enables farming even in dry regions of the country. تو یہ تھے چیپٹر نمبر 4 کے کویسچن آنسرز. امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگوں کو پسند آئے ہوں گے. یہاں پہ میں اپنا واٹس ایپ نمبر دے رہا ہوں، یعنی 033482422765. اچھا، تو اس واٹس ایپ نمبر پر آپ مجھے وائس میسج ہو یا ٹیکسٹ میسج کر سکتے ہو اگر آپ لوگوں کو یہ کویسچن آنسرز PDF فارمیٹ میں چاہیے. لیکن اس سے پہلے آپ لوگوں نے ایک چھوٹا سا میرا کام کرنا ہوگا، یعنی اس چینل کو سبسکرائب کرنا ہوگا. پھر اس کے بعد میں آپ لوگوں کو یہ جو کویسچن آنسرس ہے یہ PDF فارمیٹ میں بھیج دوں گا. تو جاتے جاتے آپ لوگوں سے ریکویسٹ ہے کہ اس چینل کو لازمی سبسکرائب کرنا ہے اور ویڈیو کو لائک لازمی کرنا ہے اور اپنے دوستوں کے ساتھ شیئر کرنا ہے. انشاءاللہ ملیں گے نیکسٹ چیپٹر کے کویسچن آنسرس کے ساتھ. تو اس وقت تک اجازت چاہتا ہوں. اللہ حافظ.